Please stay tuned if you would like to see how I achieve this gorgeous chocolate brown smoky eye on my client. First, I'm going in with the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water just to clear the skin of any oil or impurities that might be on the surface to give us a clean canvas. Then I'm going to moisturize her skin with the Embryolisse Lock Cream. For foundation, I'm going in with the NYX Total Control Drop foundation in the shade Nutmeg. I started off with a little bit at a time because this actually was my first time using the foundation and I didn't know what to expect. I was impressed with the finish of this foundation. It gave the skin like a very fresh, pretty natural glow. I would describe the coverage as medium to buildable. I did go in with more than one layer just to build it up to a fuller coverage. And I'm just blending the foundation out with my beauty blender. And to conceal and highlight, I'm just going in with the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Medium Beige. I'm adding that under her eyes and the high points of her face, like her forehead, bridge of her nose, and her chin. To contour, I went in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. And I'm just going back in with the same beauty blender that I used for foundation to blend out her highlighted and contoured areas. Off camera, I set the highlighted areas with the Sasha Buttercup loose powder, and also I mixed that with the RCMA No Color loose powder. Now I'm just going in with an eye base. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the shade Laying Low. And I'm applying that with a flat synthetic brush. For eyeshadows, I primarily use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Now I'm just going in with a transition color in her crease. The color is called Butter. Now I'm going in with a warm orange brown shade just to add some depth to the crease. That color is called Hunts. Now I'm going in with a deeper brown shade. It's called Central Park, just to really begin building up the smokiness in the crease. Now I'm just using my finger to apply this Urban Decay pressed glitter shadow in the shade Diamond Dog. And I use the L'Oreal Infallible Blackest Black gel liner to line the eyes. Now it's time for brows. I'm just brushing her brow hairs up into place, and I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown, just to define her natural brow shape and fill in any sparse areas. For the highlight, I'm applying the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. For the lips, I'm just applying the NYX lip liner in this shade Cappuccino. And we wanted to kind of go for like a taupey, darker, nudish lip. So I mixed Colored Rain liquid lipstick in the shade Marshmallow and ColourPop's Strip. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and if you enjoy what you saw, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.